Are you in need of a reliable roofing contractor for your home in Louisville, Colorado? At Denny's Roofing LLC, we understand the importance of a strong and secure roof for your home. That's why we offer top-notch roofing services to ensure your roof is in tip-top shape. And if you need a roof replacement in Louisville, Colorado, our team of experts can help. We'll work with you to determine the best roofing solution for your home, whether a complete roof replacement or just a few repairs. We understand that a damaged roof can be a major inconvenience for homeowners. That's why we work quickly and efficiently to minimize disruption to your daily life. You can trust that we'll use only the highest quality materials and cutting-edge equipment to ensure your roof is built to last. Our team takes pride in providing excellent customer service, and we strive to exceed your expectations every step of the way. Keep a damaged or outdated roof from bringing down the value and security of your home. Contact Denny's Roofing, LLC at 970-808-0247 for reliable and professional roofing services. You can also check our website at www.dennysroofingllc.com/Louisville-roofing-company for the list of services we offer. Protect your home with a quality roof from Denny's Roofing, LLC.